everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to set up and use personal voice on iPhone. Apple is known for offering a wide array of accessibility features on iPhone, iPad, Mac and even the Apple Watch to prove the usability of these devices. Continuing with the approach, Apple has added a new accessibility feature called personal voice to let you create a copy of your voice that can be used to narrate phrases you type on your phone. In this video I'll tell you how to set up and use, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and choose accessibility option. Next, scroll down and choose personal voice. Tap on it. Tap on create a personal voice. Next, choose continue when prompted. Next, choose your language. Now give your voice a name and then hit continue. And then choose continue again. You can continue with default phrases or use shorter phrases. And then tap the record icon and narrate the phrases as they appear. Wait for the recording to end or tap the stop icon. Tap listen to hear your recorded audio. If your background is noisy, you will be notified. You can move to a quiet location and tap check again and tap continue to keep recording. Once you complete the sound check, you will have to complete a 15-minute voiceover session narrating the lines as they appear. Tap preview to understand how the line sounds and then tap recording when you are ready. Record a 15-minute session and follow the on-screen commands. Press done to end the session in settings and then allow notification access and tap done. And you are done. Next thing, I am going to tell you how to use personal voice on iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and choose accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap live speech. Tap on it. Tap on its toggle button to enable it. Then select favorite phrases and tap the plus icon. Type a phrase of your choice and tap save. And then select your personal voice. Go to previous page and tap the option under the voices label. Tap personal voice and choose the one we generated earlier. So now whenever you want a phrase narrated in your voice, triple press the power button to access live speech. Type in a phrase you want to be spoken and tap send. And tap on phrases and choose a favorite phrase. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to set up and use personal voice on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.